Tariki 18 mweri wa gatano mwaka uyu gutura uri muthenya utakariganira kuri ahuraniri aria ihoto cia muingi. Boniface Mwangi wa guku bururi-ini na Agather atuheire wa bururi wa Uganda kuonana niguo muthenya uria mohire thabari nginya bururi-ini wa Tanzania, magitanya kuonania unyiti mbaru wao kuri mutongoria wa mung'ethaniro bururi-ini ucio Tundu Lissu uria uthitangirwo na kwenda kugarura thirikari.
They did things that should not have done to us, and that breaks me, but does not break my spirit. So I might look weak because my body is also weak. I have multiple fractures. I have broken toes on both my left and right foot. I have wounds in my private places, like I have wounds all over my body. And they're healing. And I'll be back in the streets.
No muthenya uyu wacokire kumagaruruka thutha wao guikio ngono mari mukawa-ini uria makomaga na magitwarwo ceceni-ini ya borithi kuria mambiriirie kuhungwo mahuri-ini ma abitha uthami mbere ya kwambiriria gutungio minyamaro iria maugire ari na magigi.
So the lawyers left us, and when the lawyers left us, they did not tell our families that we were being beaten and being harassed and being threatened.
And it's important that we've now understood that as East African citizens, we are on our own. We are on our own, and we were saved by you, ordinary people. No guns, no office, no money, no nothing. The noise everyone made.
Hinde ya giikaro na andiki a mohoro Boni na Agather mahithuririe uria mambiriirie kunyamario nginya mbere ya mawakiri ao kuri ona thengia wa kwamukira ndumiriri kuma kuri barothi wa Kenya bururi-ini wa Tanzania akimwira ni mekuhundurwo nginya guku bururi-ini ta horohirie minyamaro kuona mathirwo marute nguo ciothe mbere ya gutungio bara ya redito.
And then told me to face the wall and then squat. Then a man came and was putting his fingers in my anus and then saying that, say you're feeling nice, say you're feeling good, say Asante Samia. Then they would do that. And then they would do that. It breaks me. I'm not the same, but I know I'm going to heal.
Of course, when I was still shocked, I saw members of parliament also saying Martha Karua should have been raped or sent back home on oxygen. And they were openly in parliament. If that doesn't scare East Africans, that we are at that barbaric level, and for them sexual violence is a go-to thing, like it's the first thing they think of.
Maundu mehereirio na makiria riria mahithukirio ni andu aria mekunikanĩtie mothio mao mari ceceni-ini ya borithi ya Central na magitwarwo thabari nginya nyumba iria matungiirio minyamaro ingi miruru kuria nginya mahamirwo kimwiri ni andu aya.
I would put objects in my anus and then say you're feeling nice, say you're feeling good. Then you say Asante Samia, Asante Samia. So I say Asante to their president. Then they'll push hard and then pull it out again. They did that. See, I started bleeding.
They are inserting something in your anus so bad, like so deep. You want to beg them to actually rape you in the right place, because you are thinking it can't be as painful as this. Of course, that's in the moment of that pain.
Ere maugite macokire guthamirio nyumba yari na heo muno kuria mararire mbere ya kweheranio kiroko kiria kiarumirire na magitwarwo kundu ngurani.
So they told me we have recorded these videos so that if you go back to your country and you say what we did to you, we shall put them online and shame you, and your kids will see this, your family will see this. Everyone will see this.
Ere maugite mitangiko ya kimeciria iria yacokire kurumirira yari miuru muno kuona matiari no menyo wa kuria matwaragwo mbere ya gucoka gutio mihaka-ini ya Kenya na Uganda. Riu makihita ni meguthitanga thirikari ya bururi wa Tanzania kumana na maria magereirio.
My government let me down. My government sided with Suluhu's government and said we're interfering with Tanzanian politics. We were not interfering in Tanzanian politics. We went there as visitors, and we did not hide the reasons for our visit. For
our governments, it was good riddance. Someone else is getting rid of our headaches. Why would they care about that?
Girivotera Kameme TV, Jitagomora, Wagunya.